Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am reacting to SFM Fiona's saga, Scourge 1, question mark. I have no idea what this is about, but well, yeah. I decided to take a look at it. Judging by the title, it has something to do with Scourge and whoever the heck Fiona is. And yes, I did not read the comics, because yeah, unable to, can't find them. But yeah, let's just begin this reaction. What? There we go. That was weird.
Scourge!
Okay, can you load faster?
Hey, babe.
Oops, get wrecked.
What are you doing here? How did you...
Poor Tails.
It takes a lot more to keep
Feel
me
bad
down.
for him.
Sonic's supposed to be here soon, right?
Okay, Scourge is looking for Sonic.
Do anything yet? You need to hear what's
I'm
happening.
guessing that other fox is Fiona.
Tails? Who's this creep?
There's Sonic.
Twin. Only better looking.
Well, he just
Yeah.
destroyed
I
Sonic.
missed this. Don't even care these nuts.
Pretty much everyone does when they
Save that
first
one
meet
for
him.
later, or can I get another swing?
Okay, listen. I have a little something going on here with everyone. We're starting to see it all.
Interesting, I can tell you that. Got to hang out with the coolest guy in the multiverse.
Is that a cold?
Happy here. You have a lot to answer to.
There's a
Get over here
Shell.
now. You should really stay focused, chump.
Oh, so Luke says.
What's going on here? This is all so wrong.
More like this is all so right.
Shadow.
Wow, Sonic just destroyed Shadow
Don't
2.
believe I properly thanked you for making me the man I am today.
Back off, creep. What's going on anymore?
Only the best possible way this could have ended. And you don't get to have it. Instead, submit your last votes while you can. What? What a loser. What a loser. Right, so it turns out he couldn't get this video out in time. So let's see which poor sap he voted for. That would be my first choice, but this should still be interesting at least. You heard it here first. Next time you do this all again, Fiona's gonna have to deal with it. Good luck with that.
Okay, so the Sega Scourge voiced Scourge. How'd they get someone on Sega to voice him? Oh well, this was an interesting video. The link to it will be down in the description. I hope you all enjoyed. This is Sound the Hedgehog signing out.